Assalamu alaikum dear students. I hope you're all fine and have a very great time. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today our topic is relation of biology with other sciences. Biology is closely linked with other natural sciences such as chemistry, physics and earth sciences. These connections help us understand life processes, environmental interactions, and the complexities of living organisms. Student, you know well, biology is the science of living things, but living things are connected to many other sciences. So biology often work together with them. In short, biology is like the center of web and other sciences connected to it to explain life more clearly. The following are few examples of how biology is connected with other sciences. First one is biochemistry. Biochemistry is the study of structure and reactions of different chemical substances present in living systems. In plants and animals, many tiny chemical changes happen all the time to keep them alive. When plants make food, photosynthesis, or when the living thing use food for energy during the process of respiration, these are chemical reactions happen inside the living organisms. The study of chemical reactions of photosynthesis and respiration are example of biochemistry. Next example is biophysics. It deals with the study of principles of physics which apply to biological processes. For example, in biophysics we study the rules of lever and motion for understanding the function of muscles, bones and joints. We use rules of motion for understand how muscles pull bones at joint to make the body move. For example, your arm is like a lever. The elbow is the joint like a hinge. The biceps muscles pulls the bone and your arm bends. So we say that the body works like a machine using physics and biology together. Next branch is computational biology. In computational biology, scientists use mathematical models, algorithms, and computers simulations to understand biological systems and relationships. It involves analyzing biological data such as sequence of amino acids in a protein. By computational biology, scientists use math and computers for study living things. Scientists use it because biology a lot of complex information like genes, proteins, cells and ecosystems. In mathematical models, scientists use math formulas to describe how a biological system works. For example, predicting how fast a disease spread in a population. By algorithm process, scientists make step-by-step computer instructions that can quickly solve problems. For example, searching through millions of DNA sequences to find a gene. In computer simulations, Scientists make virtual experiments on a computer instead of in a lab. For example, simulating how a new drug might affect human cells. In short, we say that computational biology helps scientists use math and computers to understand life better, faster, cheaper, and sometimes safer than real experiment. Next branch is biology. It deals with the study of distribution of living organisms in different geographical regions of the world, the influence of climate change on distribution of organisms is also studied in biogeography. In biogeography, we study distribution of organisms due to climate change, temperature and rainfall change. Temperature and rainfall change are all the climate changes. Climate changes forces plants and many other animals to move, disappear, or appear in new places. For example, polar bears lose their ice house. Some birds move to colder regions, etc. are the best example of the climate change. Next branch is biostatistics. It deals with the principles of statistics to analyze and interpret data related to living organisms. Biostatistics plays a crucial role in biological research, healthcare, and public health. In biological research, biostatistics help scientists analyze data from experiments like plant growth, genetics, drug effect. In healthcare, scientists use biostatistics to test new medicines and treatments. For public health, scientists use biostatistics for studies diseases spread in population like COVID-19. In short, biostatistics use numbers to make biological research, healthcare, and public health more accurate and reliable. Next branch is biotechnology. It deals with the use of living organisms and their components to develop beneficial products or processes for various fields, including healthcare, agriculture, and environmental management. For example, biotechnologists use bacteria for the production of insulin to treat diabetic patients. Next branch is bioeconomics. It deals with the study of organisms from economical point of view. In bioeconomics, scientists calculate the cost and profit of the biological products. For example, production of new variety of crops like wheat, rice, maize, etc. Students, this diagram show the relationship of other sciences with biology. Biology have relationship with other sciences, bioeconomics, biochemistry, biophysics, biogeography, biostatistics, and biotechnology, and computational biology, in which math and computer include. All these are discussed in this lecture. Student, please note your lecture in your book. If you have any problem, Please do comment, and if you like this lecture, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.